Welcome to my channel Car Autola. Guys and gentlemen, the Ford Mustang GT500 is one of the most iconic and powerful muscle cars ever produced, embodying raw performance, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology. First introduced in the late 1960s as part of the legendary Shelby Mustang lineup, the GT500 has continued to evolve over the decades, maintaining its reputation as a high-performance powerhouse. At the heart of the modern GT500 is its supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine, known as the Predator. This beast of an engine produces a staggering 760 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful street-legal Ford ever built. The engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, which provides lightning-fast gear shifts and seamless power delivery. Unlike traditional manual transmissions, this dual-clutch setup ensures that the GT500 can maximize its performance both on the track and the road. The car is capable of reaching 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, with a quarter-mile time of around 10.7 seconds, putting it in the same league as some of the world's top supercars. One of the defining characteristics of the GT500 is its aerodynamically optimized design. From its massive front grille, which enhances cooling, to the large rear wing that provides downforce, every element of the car has been engineered to improve performance. The front splitter and rear diffuser help channel airflow efficiently, reducing drag and increasing stability at high speeds. The available carbon fiber track package adds even more aerodynamic enhancements, including a large GT4-style wing, exposed carbon fiber wheels, and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires designed for maximum grip. The suspension system of the GT500 is another area where Ford has focused on enhancing performance. Equipped with Magnaride adaptive dampers, the car continuously adjusts its suspension settings in real time, ensuring optimal handling and ride quality. Whether attacking corners on a racetrack or cruising on the highway, the suspension system provides the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Additionally, the GT500 features a revised chassis with improved rigidity, ensuring that the car remains stable under extreme driving conditions. Braking performance is equally impressive, thanks to the massive Brembo braking system. The GT500 is fitted with 16.5-inch front rotors and 6-piston calipers, providing exceptional stopping power. Whether decelerating from high speeds or navigating tight turns, the braking system ensures maximum control and confidence for the driver. Combined with the sticky Michelin tires, the braking system allows the GT500 to deliver track-ready stopping distances. Inside the GT500, the cabin is a blend of sportiness and modern technology. The driver-focused cockpit features premium materials such as leather, suede, and carbon fiber trim. Recaro racing seats are available for those who want a more track-oriented feel, offering superior lateral support during aggressive driving. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the Sync 3 infotainment system offers connectivity features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice-activated navigation. The optional Bang & Olufsen sound system ensures that even a high-performance muscle car can deliver premium audio quality. Driving modes in the GT500 allow the driver to customize the car's behavior based on different conditions. Modes include normal, sport, track, and drag strip, each adjusting throttle response, transmission settings, suspension stiffness, and traction control to optimize performance. Launch control and line lock features are also included, making it easier to achieve quick acceleration and perform controlled burnouts. Despite being a high-performance machine, the GT500 also incorporates advanced safety features. It comes equipped with Ford's Copilot 360 suite, which includes blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features help provide an added layer of security for daily driving while maintaining the car's aggressive and engaging driving experience. The GT500's legacy dates back to the late 1960s when Carroll Shelby and Ford collaborated to create a high-performance version of the Mustang. The first-generation GT500 featured a 428 cubic inch V8 engine, producing around 355 horsepower. Over the years, the GT500 has undergone several transformations, with each iteration pushing the limits of performance and technology. The modern GT500 pays homage to its heritage while incorporating state-of-the-art engineering and innovation. Comparing the GT500 to its main competitors, such as the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 and the Dodge Challenger Hellcat Redeye, it stands out due to its superior handling, track capabilities, and advanced aerodynamics. While the Hellcat Redeye boasts more horsepower, the GT500's lightweight construction and sophisticated suspension system allow it to outperform its rivals on the track. Meanwhile, the Camaro 1 Zelati, though a formidable competitor, lacks the same level of refinement and cutting-edge technology found in the GT500. One of the standout aspects of the GT500 is its exclusivity and collectability. Limited production models, such as the GT500KR, King of the Road Edition, offer even more performance and unique styling cues. These special editions often become highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. With the rise of electrification in the automotive industry, the GT500 may represent one of the last great gasoline-powered muscle cars, adding to its appeal among purists. Fuel efficiency is not a priority for a car like the GT500, but it still offers reasonable mileage considering its immense power. It achieves an EPA estimated 12 mpg in the city and 18 mpg on the highway. While this might not be practical for daily commuting, those purchasing a GT500 are likely more interested in performance rather than fuel savings. Ownership of a GT500 is more than just having a high-performance vehicle, it's about becoming part of a community of enthusiasts who share a passion for speed and engineering excellence. Car clubs, track days, and Mustang meetups allow owners to showcase their vehicles and bond over their love for performance cars. Ford has continuously evolved the GT500, incorporating new technologies while staying true to its muscle car roots. The possibility of an electrified or hybrid version in the future remains uncertain, but Ford has demonstrated its commitment to innovation with models like the Mustang Mach-E. Whether or not the GT500 remains purely gasoline-powered, its legacy as one of the greatest American performance cars is cemented in automotive history. For those seeking a car that blends brute force with cutting-edge technology, the Ford Mustang GT500 is an unbeatable choice. Its powerful engine, track-ready suspension, advanced aerodynamics, and modern technology make it one of the most exhilarating muscle cars on the market. It's not just a car. It's a statement of performance, engineering excellence, and American automotive heritage. Please subscribe to my channel Car Auto.